strikes again. Whoa, some niggas bitter with life and they hate me. They wanna put a knife in my ribs. Whoa, way this shit set up, I live like Ronaldo, but I never been to Madrid. Whoa, she said that she working, I told her come over and we could get right at the crib.
Hey yo, what is good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today I'm gonna be bringing you guys an FTP unboxing. It's about $200 worth. I got a couple things from this last drop and a couple things from a previous drop that I want to show you guys. I did want to announce a new giveaway in this video, so I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of what I'm gonna be giving away. I might be giving away a little bit extra than what I'm gonna be showing you guys. I just don't know what exactly. I am gonna add it on, but it is gonna be like a Supreme sticker pack per se. Let me show you guys real quick. You're gonna have two red box logos, the Fear of a Black Planet sticker, a Palace Triferg, the Supreme Mona Lisa sticker, and a Scarface sticker. That's all I have so far. I'm gonna add something to it, but I feel like it's a pretty good giveaway. It's gonna be ending like in 2 weeks. I just want to do it for real quick, and then I'm gonna do a better one. For now, I feel like this is pretty good. Click the Gleam link at the top of the description if you do want to enter in this. It's gonna be ending like in 2 weeks or so, but leave a like if you do enjoy this video. Click that Gleam link, and let's get into this video. The first pickup I want to show you is this FTP bottle opener. It's super sick. I feel like this is really dope. Is that Colt 45 with the FTP right here. You could put this on the wall, and it's just a really sick accessory. I just never opened it or showed you guys for some reason. I think I had this in the previous video that I never dropped. I just never got to editing it, so you guys never saw it, but I did pick that up, and I got this as well. I'm pretty sure you guys saw this. I wore it like a week ago or something like that. It's the FTP Colt 45 collab. This is super sick. I just really like the fact that you could basically rock this both ways and it'll look sick. You could just have a hoodie on with this and it'll look really dope. I have a couple more things I wanted to show you guys. I feel like this last drop was really sick. I got a couple pieces that I actually do like. They dropped a safety vest, which is honestly really fire. I do like this a whole lot. I'm actually gonna be keeping this. I might frame it. I just like the whole look of it, and it's 3M. Like the 3M on this shit is crazy. I'm gonna try to put like a picture right here or something, but the 3M is insane on this piece. This shit actually hard. This with a black hoodie, that shit'd be a sick combo. I feel like I'm gonna actually be wearing this shit. I don't know, but this is actually a dope pickup. I'm gonna just keep it on for the rest of the video. Next up, we got the FTP shoulder bag. I feel like this one, this shit was hard too. Like this drop was insane to me. I might be doing a legit check on this because I feel like this is the first shoulder bag that they did, and I feel like they might get faked. Who knows? But I'm gonna do a review and legit check on this. You got the pocket right here. You already know what it is. A net right there. Another stash pocket on the back. Then you got the main compartment right here. It has the thing right there to put it on your shoulder. Super clean in my opinion. It's simple, and you could just put your phone, your wallet in here. It's just a smaller version of a shoulder bag. It's still really hard. Don't get it twisted. This shit is sick. Yo, these shits is hard, bro. You might have slept on these shits. I didn't, bro. These shits is hard. These is for the toe, my brother. These shits is hard as fuck. I've actually been waiting to open these shits. Like, bro, this order took a minute to get here, son. This shit took a minute, bro. Got the FTP slideys. They got the FTP on the bottom, FTP on the side. These shit's crispy, yo. The slides are super clean to me. That's probably my favorite pickup this whole thing. But I got one more thing to show you guys. This shit is hard too. I got the towel as well, bruh. This shit seems like it's pretty big, bruh. That's hard, dude. The vest, the towel, the shoulder bag, and the slides, bro. There was a lot of heat this drop. A lot of heat this drop, bro. And I managed to get some of it. There was a lot more. I'm kind of pissed I didn't pick up a couple tees, but I did my thing. And I feel like that's pretty much it for the video. I don't even know. I think I might have something else to show you. I also did get some stickers that I wanted to show you guys. I got the FTP sticker. I got the We're Fucked sticker. This is probably one of my favorite ones. I like the way that the world is split in half. Then you have the smoke. It's like a bomb kinda. This is actually sick. Then we have two of these stickers, which is basically the back page got seized or some shit like that. It got closed down. They sent me two of these, and since they did send it late, they actually like wrote on one of them. I don't know what that shit says, to be honest, but it does say something on there. I don't think they did this to everybody's sticker, but good looking out, FTP, for real. I guess that pretty much does it for this video. If you guys did end up enjoying, go ahead, leave a like, subscribe to the channel down below, click that Gleam link at the top of the description description. I might be giving one of these away too. Who knows? I don't even know. I actually don't even know, but go ahead and click that Gleam link. I'm gonna be giving away a sticker pack and maybe something else. There might even be 2 winners, one for the sticker pack and one for something else. I don't even know yet, but I am gonna put that down below. And I do have the winner of the giveaway. I'm gonna go ahead and do that online. I'm gonna screen record and then just put the whole thing right here. I'm gonna show who the winner is, and then we're gonna be done with this video. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
This my jam, nigga. Strikes again, whoa. Some niggas bitter with life and they hate me, they wanna put a knife in my ribs, whoa. Way this shit set up, I live like Ronaldo, but I never been in Madrid, whoa. She said that she working, I told her come over and we could get right